This polar bear abandoned her own baby. She left and didn't look back. But this man saw the baby stranded. He went up to the polar bear and saw it alone. It whined like it was hurting. So he picked it up and took it home. But when he got home, the man's cat came right up to the polar bear. It immediately loved the polar bear like a mother. So the man fed the polar bear along with his cat like usual. It was so hungry and couldn't wait to eat. It was jumping for joy. He finally felt loved. But the cat and the polar bear grew up, played, and were inseparable. They were always together. They became best friends. If you like polar bears, subscribe.